Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm in the kitchen again, and today I'm going to share with you how I prepare my stew peas Jamaican style. So I'll be using some pigtail, chicken foot, beef with red kidney beans. So continue watching guys, and let's start cooking. So I'm going to boil out some of the salt first. So after boiling the pigtail for like 30 minutes, I rinse it off with some cold water. Then I'm going to boil it with the peas. And I have my chicken foot and beef to go with it. So I'm going to use some red kidney beans. So to my pigtail, I'm going to add the peas and let them cook together. So now I'm going to add some allspice or pimento seed, whatever you call it, and I'm also going to add some crushed garlic for a flavor that I'm going to cover and let it cook. So now I'm going to add the beef and the chicken foot, then I'm going to cover and let it cook. So after cooking for a while, I'm not too precise with the timing, but once everything is coming together, this is when I add my seasoning. So as you can see, I add some thyme, some ginger, I'm adding some scallion, I'm going in with some onions, and I'm also going to add a scotch bonnet pepper, and of course I'm going to add some coconut milk because it's not stew peas if you're not using coconut milk. So now I'm adding my carrots, and I'm also going to add some spinners or small dumplings. Yes, I normally add some little dumpling in my stew peas. So after adding the coconut milk, now is when I am going to season my pot with some powder seasoning. So I'm going to use some onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and I usually add a small amount of cock soup in my stew peas. So guys, it's all up to you and your preference. You can add whatever seasonings of your choice, whatever seasonings you like to add flavor to your stew peas, but this is how I season my stew peas. So as you can see, everything is now coming together nicely, and if you notice, I didn't add any salt because the pig's tail were already salty, so I just add my seasonings for taste. So guys, this is how I make my stew peas, real Jamaican stew peas. If you enjoy this video, leave a like, comment, share, and you can also let me know how you prepare your stew peas Thank you all for watching, and of course I served my stew peas with some nice basmati white rice and a little vegetable at the side, and I am now going to dig in and enjoy my dinner. So thanks again guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.